Everyone, welcome to our next topic of Zoho. In this topic, we'll see how to create item in Zoho book. So our object and focus area, how to create item in Zoho. This is the item list which we will create in Zoho. So let's move into the Zoho book and see how to create an item. First, you have to log in Zoho book. After that, you can see from the left side there's a mention item. Click on the item, and after clicking the item, you have to click on new. In new, you have to select which type it is a good. You are entering the item, it is a good or a service. Right now for us, it is a service. So we have entered service. Innovative STEM. In unit, we can measure education service in a unit form. So leave it. SAC code. You can search SAC code by clicking on the search icon. It is education service. So enter the education. Now you can see education service. Select your tax preference. If it is taxable or non-taxable. For us, it is taxable. So taxable. We are selling. We are doing for the sales information. So uncheck the purchase information. Write the selling price. GST rate. By default, it is 18%. We have already selected. So by default, it will be show 18% of GST. Then click on save. Okay. Same way, you can update a good. You have to select your good item types. Like I'm writing fan. In fan, we can select unit in pieces or SAC HSN code. For good, we say HSN code. So for HSN codes, click on the search icon, then enter the name of the product. Now enter the HSN code. Like we are purchasing the fan. So purchase cost price rate will be 18% for fan also. Then save. Okay. So I hope you have understand how to create an item in Zoho. If you want to create more, if there is a list of items which we cannot there's a list of items which we have to enter by one, it will be take consume time. So for that, there's also one option. We can import the item by clicking on this three dot. Now, if click on import item, choose your file or drag drop, whatever you can, choose file, and after that you click on next, select everything according to it, click next, and then save. Then it automatically all the item will be listed here with whatever item you have update on the Excel sheet. Okay. So I hope you have understand how to create item or import item in Zoho. If you have any question or a doubt, you can simply email us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much for watching the video.